In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FPS drops and stuttering in Squad. So to fix these issues, just go to settings, and then under graphics settings, make sure you enable this option. And then here, find Squad among this list. If you don't see it, just add it from here. Then you will just select high performance for the game and then turn this option on. Once you do this, go to game mode and then turn on game mode, and then go to display and make sure that the scale is set to recommended and the resolution is also set to recommended, and this should hopefully give you the best performance for the game. Now there's also another thing you can do. It's also recommended. If you go to NVIDIA app, you can actually update your graphics cards drivers. So when updating, make sure you select game ready, because if you select the studio driver, this will give you the driver for editors and content creators. But if you're a gamer, you should select this one and then select download. Then after downloading the latest version for your driver, just restart your computer and this should fix it.